Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the lecture 3 of HCI series and course. And in this lecture, we are focusing on the use case of the computers or computer system and softwares, right? And you can contact me on this WhatsApp and email for discuss about your coursework and projects you are working on. Okay, let's grab a pen and start our series. So this is lecture 3, and computers can make you frustrated if they are hard to use, right? Because most of the people which is which are the users of the computer systems are just normal people. They don't understand Java, they don't understand your Python, and they don't even care what you know, right? So they just want to use it, and your job is to make system easier as a software engineer. But that is the problem for nowadays, and computers can make you frustrated. And even in some cases, some people even attack their computer, or you can say uh, computer rage, right? They beat their computer because computer can't understand them and they can't understand computers, so they just beat them. And in a case in the US, sheriff police man shot his computer system uh, just because he is frustrated in using it, right? So that is what's being said here. And if you just integrated more features into a computer system, it will eventually become more complex. And uh, that's that's a downside of integrating or introducing more features into the technology, right? So uh, that's what's being said here. And computer systems should be inclusive. What does this inclusion mean? Is just you are developing a website, so your website should be accessible by the disabled people or the special people, right? So that is what's being said by inclusive, right? And forgiving. So if you just do an human error, so your computer system which you have developed should be forgiving for that human error, because human can do mistake and computer can't, right? That's the, like, you can say, the only motive of developing a computer, because it is fast and it can't do mistake. So computer should be forgiving for the human errors, right? And that's I have talked about. People even attack their computers when they do that, get something done on computer what they want, right? Yeah, so that's what's being said in the lecture 3 of this HCI course, Human Computer Interaction, and I will see you in the next one.